Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Craxes. Today we will solve the same problem of maximum index in the given time constraint, that is O of n. So let's begin. Here there is importance of doing certain observations whenever we try to optimize our code. So here let me take this same example. Okay. Yeah, so this is our example. And now if you see carefully, suppose I take my I as the element is 10 and 30, right? And the indexes are 2 and what it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6, right? This is my I and this is my J. Okay, so what happen here, that obviously our condition is holding true that for I that 30 is greater than 10 and hence my J minus I would become 4, right? So this is a potential answer. But if you observe carefully, if instead of 10 I take 8, then also my condition will be true. I mean to say that if an element is bigger than 10, it will surely be bigger than 8, right? Which is just before it. So what we can say that if we take the minimum element from left to right, our answer will be optimal, right? We will move to the optimal answer. This is the crux one, right? Because if you observe carefully, if I take 10, the index of 10, then obviously I am deviating from my answer, because instead I could have taken 8 and 30 and my answer would be optimal. Similarly, I will try by fixing 30, okay, and 33 by comparing 33 and 30 with 8. Obviously, again in this case, the 8 is bigger than both of them. Sorry, 8 is smaller than both of them. 8 is smaller than both. So which is optimal? The one that is coming afterwards, right? 33 is optimal choice. So here what we can do, we can maintain another array of maximum element, because we want the maximum from the left to right, from right to left, right? And hence it will give us a potential good answer, that is a better answer, optimal answer. Let me take a simple array and demonstrate. Suppose my array is 2, 4, 5. Okay. In this case, what I am saying that we will maintain a array L mean, which will contain array like this, because 2 is the minimum. So we are moving from left to right in this case, and then I'll also take an array R max, which will like contain the maximum element from right to left, because we need to maximize it, right? And hence what will happen here, if we will walk from behind, so it will come 5 again, it will come the same 5, 5 and 5. Okay, so this will be my R max. And now whenever we will like do simple for looping, and let us see in the code how we will implement this approach. Okay, so let us start writing the code for this. First of all, I'll declare two vectors, lmin of size n, similarly rmax again of size n. Then what will I do? I'll initialize some parameters int I and 0. Yeah, and then what happen, my lmin of 0 will be simply array of 0, the first element, and then I will do for looping for int I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. What will I do? Lmin of I will be minimum of lmin of I minus 1 or our array's ith element, right? Okay, and similarly I will write code for rmax. For this it will be the last element will always be this, and then I'll loop backwards, that is I equal to n minus 2, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, my rmax will be nothing but maximum of rmax of I plus 1 or array I, right? Okay, so my rmax and lmin are declared. Now I will have to loop through them. Okay, so let me also take another integer which will be my answer. Suppose no answer exists, then we have to return 0. So I will initialize with 0. And then I will loop while I is greater than, I is less than n and j is also less than n. We will check if our element of I is smaller than or equal to r max of j. Then what will we do? Then it means that we have an answer. Suppose my element is 2, 2, 2, 2 as we have obtained, and my Rmax is 5, 5, 5, 5. Right? So in this case, my element is this and Rmin is this 5, and hence yes, an answer is possible. So what I will do, I will update my answer as answer is equal to maximum of answer and j minus I. And then I will move ahead, right? When I move ahead in this array, this means I have found a potential answer and now I'm trying to maximize it. This step is for maximizing the answer by moving j ahead, right? That's what I'm doing here. Or else, if I have not yet found a potential answer, I do I plus plus. So this will not happen in this case. Suppose there can be a possibility that it is not happening, then it might be useful. Let me take another example to make it more clear. We will take the same array 1 and 10. So our oh, this is very simple. I should not take this. I will take another array 34, 8, 10, 3, 2 and just it. Okay. Then my element will become here 34, then 8, then again 8, then 3, then 2. Right? This is my element, then 2. My Rmax will become, I'll start from backwards, so it will be 2, then it will be 3, then it will be 10, then it will be 10 again, then it will be 34, right? So this is my Rmax. So if we go with the same loop, what will happen? First of all, if you see carefully, if I've taken right. So in this case, our first condition is holding true. So my answer will be initialized by 0 only because j and I are the same. But then j become plus plus. J comes here and my I is here. But now my a of j is not greater. So my I will become plus plus. My I will come here. And then again the condition will hold true. And so but again it will become 0, so we will move forward with j plus plus. Then again the condition will become true and hence what happened, my answer will update to 1 and again j plus plus. But when this j plus plus true, this does not become true, so we will move ahead. We will again move ahead and now it is becoming true, but again the answer will be 0, so it will remain 1 and then we'll be moving ahead. So in this way it will check, and only these two conditions guarantee this one that we are moving j ahead when we are finding a potential answer and we are trying to maximize it. So in this way this code works perfectly fine, I hope. And in the last we will return our answer. Let's try. Oh no, not here, it will give me a compilation error. I'll write here return answer. Let us try to compile it. I hope that it does not give any error. Yeah, it got let's try to submit it. Yes, so our total time taken is significantly less than what we have written in our previous video because it's obviously O of n and this code is working perfectly fine. So this is only the crux, guys. We need to think that if an element is bigger than 10, it will surely be bigger than the previous element that is smaller than it. So in order to do this, what we will do, we will take the minimum array from left to right, and in order to maximize for the other side, we will take the maximum array from right to left. And hence I hope you got the crux, and that's the end of our video. Keep watching it, guys. If you have any doubt, rewatch it, and if you have any doubts still, then you can let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.